Have you ever wondered if your consciousness, the very essence of your thoughts, feelings, and awareness, could be connected to the fundamental workings of the universe? Welcome to the mysterious realm of quantum consciousness. Quantum consciousness is a theory that proposes a link between the phenomena of quantum mechanics, the physics of the extremely small, and the workings of human consciousness. Unlike traditional neuroscience, which sees consciousness as a product of brain activity, quantum consciousness suggests that quantum processes at the microscopic level might play a role in how we think, perceive, and experience reality. The seeds of this idea were planted in the early 20th century, when pioneers of quantum mechanics discovered that particles behave in ways that defy classical logic. Erwin Schrodinger, in his famous Schrodinger's cat thought experiment, hinted at the strange relationship between observation and reality. Eugene Wigner, a Nobel laureate, suggested that consciousness itself might be fundamental in collapsing quantum possibilities into reality. In the 1980s and 1990s, physicists and neuroscientists began to explore these ideas more seriously. Roger Penrose, a mathematical physicist, proposed that human consciousness arises from quantum computations within microtubules in brain neurons. Together with anesthesiologist Stuart Hammeroff, he formulated the Orchestrated Objective Reduction (OR) theory, arguing that consciousness is a quantum phenomenon, not merely a biological process. So, what exactly is quantum consciousness? At its core, it is the hypothesis that consciousness emerges from quantum processes, tiny, probabilistic events at the subatomic level, rather than just electrical signals in the brain. In simpler terms, classical neuroscience explains thought as the firing of neurons. Quantum consciousness suggests that the mind might tap into a deeper, non-local reality governed by quantum mechanics. Some scientists view it as the bridge between mind and universe, hinting at why we experience creativity, intuition, and even moments of insight that seem to transcend ordinary physics. To understand quantum consciousness, we must first grasp a few quantum phenomena. Superposition: particles can exist in multiple states at once until observed. Entanglement: distant particles can influence each other instantly, defying classical communication limits. Wave function collapse: observation or measurement forces possibilities into a single reality. Quantum consciousness theories suggest that these phenomena might be mirrored in the brain, giving rise to the mysterious qualities of awareness. While still largely theoretical, the concept of quantum consciousness has inspired various applications. Neuroscience and brain research. Exploring how quantum effects might underlie cognitive processes, memory, and perception. Artificial intelligence. Some theorists speculate that quantum computing could one day simulate conscious experiences or even create machine consciousness. Healing and medicine. Quantum theories have inspired alternative approaches in mindfulness, meditation, and energy-based therapies, though many of these remain controversial and experimental. Philosophy and consciousness studies. Quantum consciousness challenges the materialistic view, suggesting that the mind may be a fundamental aspect of reality itself, not just an emergent property of matter. Quantum consciousness is not without its skeptics. Many neuroscientists argue that the brain is too warm and noisy for delicate quantum effects to occur. Others caution that linking quantum physics to consciousness risks mixing metaphors with science. Yet, the debate continues, fueling both scientific research and philosophical inquiry into one of humanity's oldest questions: what is the nature of consciousness? Quantum consciousness remains one of the most fascinating frontiers of modern science. It challenges us to rethink the very nature of reality, to ask whether consciousness is a product of matter, or matter a product of consciousness. Could our thoughts be linked to the quantum fabric of the universe? The answer remains uncertain, but the journey of exploration continues.